What's up, YouTube? My name is Jen Neal from Resinspired. I hope everybody's hanging in there during this difficult time. If some of you are wondering exactly what the difference is between Australian and American Floetrol, I'm getting ready to show you, and we're going to start right now. Okay, first things first. I have 3 tablespoons of Glidden Premium Untinted Base 3 in here. You can get it from Home Depot. If you live in another country, you can look for untinted house paint, a base that is made for darker paint. This is the Bright Tone. It's high solids, polyurethane top coat. It is archival. It has been UV stabilized. It's non-acidic, so it's not going to, fall apart on you over time. So I have my tablespoon. I'm just going to reach in, grab it, and pour it in. This guy dries quickly, so you can add a retarder to this. It mixes really well too, but you'll notice it thickens very, very much. Considering how thin you saw the Bright Tone to be, the minute it hits the untinted base, it totally takes it to another level of thickness. For acrylic paints, dark colors, like really, really dark, you can go like 1 part of varnish to 3 parts on pouring medium. Sometimes you can go 4, but 1 to 3 is like a safe goat, I know some people who are doing the 1 to 3 pouring medium, mixing it up, and then doing 1 part of whatever they're using to just 2 parts of their pouring medium. So it's up to you. It's just, you can stretch that product a little further. The darker it is, the lighter it is, it's usually the less you have to go. So unless it's something really opaque, I want to see the difference between Australian Floetrol and American Floetrol. So we're going to do 1 to 3 of each. Okay. So this is a teaspoon. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to do a heaping 1/4 and then 1 teaspoon of Floetrol. All right, let's stir this up. I've noticed that Australian Floetrol is a lot thinner than American Floetrol. Yep. Oh, come on. God, every time. It never fails. So, we have a teaspoon of American Floetrol. Amsterdam. Okay. We'll stir this up. Let me get my wax paper and 2 tiles and we'll see what happens. These are Karen's tiles. Don't tell her, okay? 'Cause she left them. Karen, I'll get you more tiles if it's, Alright, just a little bit. Then our black. Just a little bit. That's our magenta. Purple. This is a mixture of fluorescent pink and neon orange. Let's do more purple. Interference. Yeah. Okay. This is our fluorescent pink. All right. And now the Australian Floetrol. Okay. That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can tell. We're already this way. Let's go this way. Right? There we go. So there you have it. There is your Australian Floetrol, guys. Okay. It just goes to show that you really don't need Australian Floetrol. But then again, the Amsterdam Titanium White is a huge game changer for all of it. If you want to use different colors, Australian Floetrol is key. You can see it's a lot more transparent. Maybe there really is a viscosity reducer in it. I don't know. But there you have it, side by side. Alright, we're going to use Lucy for this one. This is a 12 by 12. What is that? Get off. Craftique Black colorant. Here we go. I want a puddle, really. Like a big, thin puddle. Okay? This is a mixture of Craftique's predispersed mica pigments in rose, I think. And then I modified it with red and blue and black. Okay. So I'm just going to wind out and wind back in. This is the interference. Okay. This is quinacridone magenta. God, I hope that was not a chunk. We don't need any chunks in our lives. You know what? I probably should just pour. Let's do that so it can be faster. Next time I'll pour. Right? Like a little flower. I really want to do this one more time. Okay. That's just interference. This is the cell activator. All right, now I gotta get Lucy. Let's see. Which way do we go, George? Let's go this way. There's nothing wrong with doing that, by the way. Let's come straight down. Ugh. Okay. Now we should be able to do it. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I don't want to lose all that. Oh my gosh. All right. This is so not fair. All right, I'll cry about it later. Call 911 because this painting is on fire. I just know that there's so much under there. I can't help myself. Alright, we're gonna leave it. I can't. Yep, we're leaving it. It's totally a wrap. Yep, that's it. Because I don't want to lose this. Like, that is the nugget cells that, you know, I go crazy over. Look what I did by blowing. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize I was going to do all that now. Maybe we need to revisit that strategy. You guys know I'm a cell junkie, so when I see stuff like this, I want to lose my mind. But yes, we are stopping because I feel like if I keep pressing my luck, I'm going to regret it. But this is freaking beautiful. Oh, boyfriend. Can you please come here? Because I'm making a masterpiece. He doesn't even want to come. Do you guys believe this? Give me a thumbs up if you think my boyfriend should get his butt in here right now.
A few moments later.
I'm playing one of the greatest songs of all time right now, and you're dragging me away from hearing it.
This is one of my... You know this is going to make me tick.
That is banging. I like that. That is hot. Good job.
Well, thank you.
Can I
See,
get a
he
kiss?
came, you guys.
Now, can I get a kiss?
Yes, you may.
And can I go back to one of the greatest songs of all time?
Yes.
Sure.
Get
Love
out.
song.
Get out of the Mad Lab. I just needed your opinion. All right, guys. Love you all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.